Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video we are going to solve this exponential equation. If you are new here, please kindly do subscribe, like and share the video. So let's get started. We have the equation 8 to the power of x is equal to 1 over 4 square root of 16. So the first step here is to write this 8 at its index form. That is, we have 2 to the power of 3 power x, which is equal to, so we have a law says that according to law of exponent, if we have 1 over a is equal to a to the power of 1, right? So if this is true, we can write the right hand side as this. Therefore we have 4 multiply it by square root of 16 power negative 1, and again we can write 4 as its index, which is 2 to the power of 2, multiply it by square root of 16. We can write square root of 16 as 2 to the power of 4 power 1 over 2, because we have a law says if you have square root of x is equal to x power 1 over 2. So if this is true, we can apply it here, all over power negative 1. So therefore we have 2 to the power of 3 power x. We have, if we have a to the power of mn is equal to a to the power of mn, therefore 2 to the power of 3x is equal to 2 to the power of 2, multiply it by 4 times 1 is 4, 4 divided by 2 is 2, which is the same thing as 2 to the power of 2 power negative 1. All right, so if we have a to the power of m times a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n, right? So we can apply it to the right hand side. 2 to the power of 3x is equal to 2 to the power of 2 plus 2 power negative 1. 2 to the power of 2 is 4, which is the same thing as 2 to the power of 3x is equal to 2 to the power of 4 power negative 1. And we have, if we have a to the power of m, n is equals to a mn. So therefore 2 to the power of 3x is equal to 2 to the power of negative 4. We can equate the exponent. 3 to the power of x is equal to negative 4. We can divide both sides by 3, here also by 3. 3 get cancelled with 3, we left with x is equal to negative 4 over 3. We can check the value of x equal to negative 4 over 3 to the original equation. So we have 2 power x is equal to 1 over 4 square root of 16. The whole simplification of this is equal to 2 to the power of negative 4, right? And we have 2 to the power of 3 power x. So we can substitute the value of x here. X is equal to negative minus 4 over 3. That is 2 power 3 negative 4 over 3, which is equal to 2 negative 4. 3 times minus 4, we have minus 12. Minus 12 over 3 is equals to 2 to the power of negative 4. Minus 12 divided by 3, we have 2 to the power of negative 4, which is equals to 2 to the power of negative 4. This is the final solution. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video.